Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name's Yvette, and today I did my makeup with makeup that I purchased from Marshalls. I did cheat a little bit on the foundation and the brows and the setting powder, but other than that I kind of tried to use everything else that I picked up from Marshalls. Alright guys, so if you guys want to learn how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So this first product I am so excited to try. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer, and I'm not even sure. I'll put right here how much the original retail price is for, but I picked it up for $8.99 and I'm so excited to try this because I've heard really good things about it and I want to try it. I picked up the shade Fairest. They only had Fairest and Deep and I think Medium Tan. And this is the only one that seemed like it would work for me. I mean, it's like really light, but I'm like really light. Okay, so the little applicator is so tiny compared to the Shape Tape and to the Makeup Revolution one. So it kind of feels weird. It feels like I'm putting a lipstick on my face. But yeah, let's see how this blends. Okay, I'm gonna pin my hair back because it's annoying. Wow, I kind of like this concealer. Like, it's more of a medium to lightweight coverage. Well, it covers like a good amount, but it's not like the sharp. It's not like the Tarte Shape Tape where it's like really heavy on there. I like that one a lot, but this one is pretty good. I think I might have to pick up another one if I see more. I'm actually going to put just a little bit more. Usually I never put more, but I kind of want to see how it would look if I layer it. And I think I'm going to put like a little bit down my nose. Let's just put a little bit everywhere. Yeah, it like blends out really easily. And the color's nice. I kind of wish it was like a little bit lighter. In person, it kind of just blended in with my foundation. But like on the monitor, it's looking like a lot brighter. But in person, it's kind of like the same. It's like barely any brighter. So I don't know if they have like a lighter one. This one was in the shade Fairest. Maybe they have another one that's like super light. But it's good. Okay, I'm impressed. I actually really like that. I feel like it just made my under eye look really flawless. I really like it. I didn't find any loose powder there, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my regular loose powder. This is the Hourglass. Get this concealer. If I find another one, I'm definitely gonna get another one. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelid. Okay guys, for this next product, I am so freaking excited because I literally wanted this so badly when it first came out. But I was like, I don't really want to spend on it. And it was a mission trying to find this. I would literally go almost every single day to Marshalls and they would never have any, and then the one time that they had one, it was all nice and like packaged up, and when I took it to the register to check it out, they took off the little sensor thing and it was all used and disgusting. So yeah, so I can't believe I actually found this. I am so happy. I love this. Like I said, I've been wanting this for a long time. So this is the ABH Sultry palette, and I'm so happy. So this one, I think these retail for $42, somewhere around that range. I'll have it right here. I'm really horrible at prices, but I got this for $27.99 at Marshalls, and oh my gosh, you guys, doesn't this just scream fall to you guys? This packaging, it's just, oh my goodness, it's just so beautiful. And here is inside. It comes with a little brush as always, and here are the colors. So I'm just going to kind of just play around with it. It's not going to really be like a full-on tutorial. So I wasn't sure what to do with the eye, so I just kind of did this eye, and now we're going to do this one. The first shade that I picked up was Fresh, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to kind of place that on the crease just to kind of help to set that concealer, because this shade is almost the same shade as my own like skin tone. Next, I'm just taking like a Morphe M514, and I'm picking up the shade Birch, which is this one right here. So for my first impressions of these eyeshadows, they blend really nicely. They do have a lot of fallout, but it's not that big of a deal to me as long as the eyeshadows themselves like blend pretty good. So yeah, so you're definitely going to want to either do your eyeshadow before, or before doing your foundation, or just apply some like setting powder underneath. That way it doesn't ruin your foundation. Hopefully mine isn't ruined because I use the shade black, but let's just see. Okay, now I'm going to take another small little Morphe M507 brush. It looks like this. And I'm going to pick up that dark brown, the dystopian color, which is this one right here. And I'm going to add that to the crease. And first I'm going to kind of like stamp it on and then blend it out a little bit. But you just kind of want that pigment to get on there. I don't know why I'm acting like this is a tutorial. I guess it's a tutorial. It's going to look really, really cute. No, I'm just kidding. And I'm going to go back into that Morphe M514 and just pick up a little bit more of Birch. And just kind of blend these. And for some reason I do feel, I think it's either Birch or Dystopian. They're kind of like a satin. So it kind of looks like it glistens a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it in camera, but... Okay, and then I'm going to go into a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH40 brush, which looks almost the same as the other ones that I used. And I'm going to pick up the shade Twig, which is like this cool tone, where this one is cool tone like brown color, and it's like a cool tone light brown, and I'm going to place that in between those two shades. And then just kind of going back and forth with my other brushes. Okay, and then I'm going to actually take that M507 brush again, and I'm going to go back to that dark brown and just deepen it up a little bit. And I want this look to be messy. I don't want it to be like too precise like a cut crease. I just kind of want it to be kind of messy but still like glam. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take a M506, which is almost similar to the other ones, and I'm just going to take the black shade from the palette and make sure that you tap off the excess, or else this will be all over. And I'm going to place that on the outer corner, kind of in a cat eye shape, and then bring it in a little bit like that. And then right there, I'm going to take the dark brown, and just kind of blend it all together. And again, just keep going back and forth until you have your desired look. Now I'm taking a MAC 248 brush, and I am going to pick up this shade right here, which is like a gray color. It's like a gray taupe shade. And I'm going to apply that into the center. And then a little bit over the black, so you could just blend. and then go back with the black and build that color again. I'm going to add the shimmer, and I'm just taking a Buxom Little Brush, and I'm using the shade Cyborg, which is this one right here. I finished the eyes, and also something happened and I had to like redo my entire face makeup. I just kind of kept the eyes and then had to redo the entire face. I got a lot of fallout from the black. I had already wiped off my bake, and so some of the black transferred and it was horrible. I couldn't save it, so I just had to redo my whole foundation. So now we're going to bronze. I already set my face with just my regular MAC powder because I don't have a powder from Marshalls. So I recently picked up the NARS Sun Wash Diffusing Bronzer in Laguna, and I actually got mine on clearance for 13 bucks. They were all like brand new. I guess not that many people are picking this up, or maybe there's just too much of this. My first time trying a NARS bronzer, so I'm a little scared. Also, I found a Becca brush, which is this one right here. I found a Becca brush at Burlington. It was like $9 or so. Let me see. Yeah, it was $10 at Burlington. It's the Becca Angled Blush Brush, but I'm going to use it today to contour. And I went ahead and washed this. Always wash your brushes when you guys get it from Marshalls or Burlington or TJ Maxx, because you never know, okay? You never know who used it or whatever. And always make sure that your makeup is not swatched, because again, we want to just be cautious, you know, with what you are purchasing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this. My baby hairs are going everywhere. I like to add a lot of bronzer because I am very fair and I just like the bronzer, okay? So far, I do like this bronzer. It blended really nicely, and I don't know, it looks nice. So I do like that bronzer. Next up, we are going to do blush, and for blush, this is one that I've had for a while now. I haven't really picked up any blushes recently. This is from Anastasia, and oh my gosh, this has become my all-time favorite blush. I think I've had this for a couple months now, and oh my gosh, I use this blush every single day. I like to mix these two. Lately, I've been into like orangey blushes, so that's why I like this one. Orange and like mauve blushes are my favorite. I don't really like pink blushes. For highlighter, I'm going to be using a NARS Albatross highlighter. I did already use this before filming this video, and because I was like, it just looks white, but then when I put it on, I was like shocked. So I'm going to go ahead and just take a little Morphe brush and just place that onto my cheekbones. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but it's a really nice, it's like a very light gold, and that's like right up my alley. I don't know if you can see it right there. And when I do dramatic looks like this, like I like to go in with the highlighter. And then I'm also going to place a little tiny bit onto right here. I forgot to mention that I did add a little bit of a glitter, a Stila Glitter and Glow. I actually got this little package right here, and I used this shade right here. I think I already have a big one, so I didn't bother opening the little one. But it's in the shade Diamond Dust, but mine's kind of getting old, so I'm going to start using this one. I actually found this like, I think like 2 months ago, and it was $12.99. I'm not sure if they still have these, but they do have a bunch of like these right here. So yeah, I have a problem. I every single time I find one, like I just have to buy it because I'm obsessed with Stila liquid eyeshadows. Like I just love them. I actually got this Lime Crime like lip set thingy for $9.99 at Marshall's, and I'm going to take the lip liner that it comes with in Angel. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with that. I'm taking a Marc Jacobs lipstick in the shade Anais, and it looks like this. So for some reason on the monitor, the lip is looking really like orangey, and in person it's not. It's just a nice nude color. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I think that's it for... Oh, I forgot to try one more thing. So this is the Laura Geller Spackle Mist Prime Set and Refresh. I actually already tried this, and it's weird. It like kind of like has like these little bubbles, so hopefully it doesn't mess up my makeup. And it does like little, like, you know, when you're eating Rice Krispie cereal, it does like that little snap, crackle, pop. Is that what it's called? Alright guys, so that concludes this video. Here is the final look. I really do like how it turned out, and basically all of the products I really like. Let me know down below which product you are currently searching for at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. Also let me know which is your best find that you have found so far. I really want to know. For me, it definitely has to be the ABH Sultry palette. I've been looking for it everywhere and I am obsessed with it. This is like the perfect fall palette, you guys. So let me know if you guys like this palette. Let me know just what you're out there looking for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.